Welcome again to Learning Java. Here I have opened the Eclipse IDE for writing simple programs in Java. First we will look on to identifiers and its assignment, and then we will look further. It has a calculator program illustrating the operators and how it performs the particular operations and etc. So first we have created the Java Basics project, under which I have created a class. It is simple. Click on here, right click and new, and click on class. It will create a class like this. Here public is the access modifier, class name. So now we are going to write first a simple program called hello world. So public static void main string args. Next, system dot out dot println hello world. So here I have written hello world. So the hello world will be run on the console here. So click on here, run, and click on OK. So here the hello world is illustrated. Next we will move on to the identifiers and its various operations. So for this I will be writing with different identifiers and printing it on the console. So byte A equals 120, short B equals 40, char C equals A, float F equals 10.0F, double D equals 20.89, int E equals 20, long L equals 40. Okay, now I am going to print it. System. So here we are going to copy it and print it. A, B, C, D, F, G, L. So here after writing the printing statements, I'm going to click on run. OK. So yes, here it displays hello world as we have written it in the first statement, and then the values of different data types like 120, 40, A, etc. So moving on to next session. We will print a simple calculator program involving different operators such as plus, minus, into, divide, etc. So we are going to write a simple calculator program illustrating the various operators. So int A equals to 20 and int B equals to 10. Now for addition we will write like, you have an option to include it in the third variable and print, or otherwise print it as it is. Print it as it is. I will be showing you both the type. So for first thing I am giving it assigning it in the third variable and then printing. Then for int d equals to a minus b. Instead of doing this, we can simply write in the system.out.println a minus b. Next, we would write as system.out.println a into b. System.out.println a by b. System.out.println a mod b. Here I have written some of the arithmetic operators and performed some additions, subtraction, etc. with the help of two variables. One is the a, which is assigned to 20, and the other is the b, which is assigned to 10. So in first we are doing addition operation, in second we are doing the subtraction operation, third multiplication, fourth division, and fifth is modulo. Usually modulo gives the remainder of the division process. So we are going to click on run. OK. So here the answer is displayed. A plus b, 20 plus 10 is 30, 20 minus 10 is 10, 20 into 10 is 200, 20 divided by 10, the quotient answer is 2, and 20 modulo 10, the remainder will be 0, so the 0 is displayed. So the two sample programs that we have seen here is the Hello World program, various data types, its assignment, and a sample console printing, and the simple calculator program illustrating some of the simple arithmetic operations and providing some results. Thank you again for watching.